Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this Cadillac STS we're going to go over how you would replace the light bulb behind here. This is the light bulb that is on the side of your vehicle. It's a side blinker right close to the front door. You've got one on both sides, and so we're going to go over how you'd replace this. So what you need to do is you push it this way. If you take a small tool, you can be able to pop it in there, and you'll press the clip. There's a little, and then just be able to get it out, pull it out enough, and this is the clip that you're pushing in that keeps it locked in. Then you're going to twist the cap here to remove, and then pull this light out, and you'll get a new light for this. And this light here is a 168. Either a 168 or what's called a 5W5 light bulb is what you would get. So get a new light, just line up the tabs, press to insert, and then take your cover, line it up, turn it a quarter turn to the right, and then be able to put this tab in first and snap that and lock that into place. And that is how you would replace that light on your Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.